Happiness is the spiritual experience of living. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today's share is about happiness is the spiritual experience of living. Why I am sharing with you today about this matter? Because I am living in a spiritual lifestyle. This is not about religion, but it is about how we live our spiritual life day by day. As we all know, we are all responsible of our own happiness. We don't like it maybe that we are going to take actions for our own happiness. But remember, there's no other who can make you happy except you and you alone. And you have to take action about it, whether you like it or not. We must understand that happiness cannot be traveled to, cannot be owned, cannot be earned, worn, or consumed. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. When you can practice love and grace and attitude of gratitude every day, believe me, you will feel happy with yourself. Yes, being healthy can give you happiness. Taking care of yourself can create that happiness feelings in you. Smile, a little smile every day can help you as well to be happy with the beautiful things that make you. You are you. So just be simple like you. Be like you and be you. There's no other like you. You are such a unique human being. There's no other like you. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living. And why is that? When we can count on the blessing we have experienced in this life journey and be grateful with that, believe me, you feel happy. Why is that? You are taking action towards your happiness. You are taking action for yourself to make you happy. You are the one who can make yourself smile. So create those simple little thoughts in your mind every day in order for you to feel good and to be happy with yourself. Yes, many times it is very difficult to be happy when our life is full of trials, challenges, and difficulties. But believe me, if you surrender it all to God, all those difficulties will become easier to handle, will become easier to conquer when you trust it all to God. Trusting it all to God and let God mold your heart to create happiness in your life. Believe me, you have that kind of happiness which has a spiritual experience of living. Why I am using God in this situation? Because God is love. God created you. God blesses you and He molds you to the person you are today. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living. Why? God created us. God made you from His own image. He created you. He molded you. He is there with you. He breathed His life onto you. Therefore, we must take care of ourselves. Stay happy by being healthy. Why is that again? Because your body is the temple of God. Always remember this. Every day we are breathing because of the fresh air. We are breathing because God breathed His life onto us because He created us. Therefore, it is very important to create that certain happiness with experience of spiritual living. Always remember that you are not here on this earth today if not God is with you all the time. We have to be grateful in everything we have. Whatever makes our soul happy, just do that. Honor yourself by loving yourself to the fullest and be happy for this very moment. This moment is your life. Acknowledge that very little needed to make a life happy, but you are the one who will take decision and decide to be happy from those simple little thoughts I have shared with you today, or little thoughts from the others who appreciated you today. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.